Craving Jollibee's famous burger steak with that rich mushroom gravy? Come, let's make it at home. Hello mga sis! Welcome to my cooking channel, Timpla ni Ate, where I share delicious Filipino dishes and family favorite recipes. For today's recipe, we are going to cook burger steak a la Jollibee. Now let's prepare the ingredients. We need 3 pounds ground beef, 2 cups of sliced bella mushrooms, 2 eggs, 1/2 cup butter or 1 stick, 1 white onion, 2 tablespoon dark soy sauce, 1 bulb of garlic, 1/2 cup all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup milk, 1 cup breadcrumbs, and you need salt, garlic powder, and pepper to taste. Let's start off by grating 3/4 of this onion. We're going to save 1/4 for the gravy. Then we're going to finely chop or mince the garlic and add it into the meat. Season with salt, and you're going to add 2 eggs, and we're also going to add the milk to bind the meat. Now add 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Season with pepper and garlic powder. Then fold and mix everything together. Once done, grab a handful of the meat mixture. Shape it into a ball and then flatten it like a burger patty. Repeat this procedure until you used up all of the meat. The 3 pounds of meat can yield 20 burger patties. Let's set aside the patties and prepare the gravy. First, we're going to slice up the mushrooms. Then chop the remaining onion and mince the garlic. Now let's start cooking. Start by sauteing the garlic and onion in 1/2 stick or 3/4 cup of butter and about a tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to season the mushrooms with salt and pepper. We will let the mushroom cook for about 3 to 5 minutes, and then we're going to add in the flour. Just keep stirring. This will eliminate the starchiness of the flour. Now we're going to add 2 cups of water. Make sure to keep stirring. This will evenly distribute the flour. Now we're going to add 1 chicken bouillon. It's too thick, so I'm going to add 1 more cup of water. And now we're going to add 2 tablespoons of the dark soy sauce. And mix everything together. This is the consistency that you want. Now we're going to add a dash of sugar, just to balance the taste. Season with garlic powder. I like my gravy garlicky, and so I like to add more of the garlic powder. And now let's cook our patties. So I'm going to use about a tablespoon of the butter and a little bit of olive oil. So I'm just going to cook by batches. I was able to make 20 patties out of the 3 pounds of meat. We're going to add 1 more. So we'll just make 4 batches at a time. And then let's cook it for about 5 to 8 minutes on each side on high-medium heat. Now let's add everything back. I just made 2 batches, and so we have 8 patties right here. And then we're going to add in the gravy. This is making me so hungry. Okay, so we're going to let it simmer for about 5 minutes so the flavors will get inside the meat. Now let's prepare our side dish. We're going to use the can of corn. So let's melt a tablespoon of butter, add the can of corn, and then about half a can of the mixed vegetables with peas and carrots. We're just gonna heat it up, and then we're going to serve. What's your feedback, ma'am?
Very good. Jollibee. Jollibee.
Jollibee. Go.
Copyrighted, if you make a story.
Well, Jollibee na. What?
Okay. Ingat na. Love. Yay, my sis-in-law and my hubby loved it. Now I'm going to store the rest of the patties in the freezer. But before that, let me cook 3 more patties because my hubby wants to bring some to work tomorrow for lunch. And there you have it, mga sis. This recipe tastes just like the real Jollibee's famous burger steak, with juicy burger patties smothered in creamy, savory gravy and best served with rice. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my upcoming Filipino recipes. Salamat sa panunod and see you on the next episode of Timpla ni Ate.